In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a template from Template Warriors. If you land on the Template Warriors website, you can either browse by best-selling templates. You can also go to recently added templates, or better still, you can just go to the shop page. And I'm going to go ahead and click on shop. Right here under search, you can search for the particular template you are looking for. You can also filter by price. Next is categories. You can also filter by categories. For instance, if you are looking for meeting minutes, you can just select it from here and the page will reload and you will be presented with all the meeting minutes we have on the website. Going down, you can also filter by color. So if I choose blue, I will be presented with all business meeting templates that are in blue color. You can also filter by orientation, paper size, and then supported software. So you can choose either from Google Docs or Microsoft Word. For this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and select one. From here, if you look at the product description and feel that this is right for you, you can just go ahead and add it to the cart. And that is what I'm going to do. And straightforward, you'll be redirected to the cart page. From here, if you have a coupon code, you can go ahead and enter it. Let's assume I don't have a coupon code. I'll just go ahead and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you need to fill your billing details, and the form is very simple. All you need is your first name and last name. If you are new, you go ahead and enter your email and also select password, which you always use to log into the website the next time you come back. If you also have some additional information or notes, you can go ahead and enter that right here. At the right hand side is the order summary. And down here, we have two payment gateways. That is PayPal and then Paystack. So if you are going to be using PayPal, make sure that it is selected. Then you agree to the terms and conditions of the platform. Next, click on Proceed to PayPal. And you'll be redirected to paypal.com where you need to enter your credentials in order to make the payments. Now let me cancel and return to Template Warriors. I want to show you how you can use Paystack. So going down, let's select Paystack. Upon selecting Paystack, you see this instruction. Make payment using your debit and credit cards or mobile money. Use this gateway to pay in Ghana cedis by changing the currency from dollars to cedis. And this is where you can do that. You can change the currency from US dollars to Ghana cedis using this widget right here. With Paystack, you can only pay in Ghana cedis, so for you to be able to use it effectively, you need to switch the currency from USD to Ghana cedis. To switch the currency, I just go ahead and click on it. Then I choose Ghana cedis like this. The page will reload and you see that the currency has now changed from dollars to Ghana cedis. Awesome. With this, you can go back and select Paystack, agree to the terms and conditions, then go ahead and place order. Then the Paystack payment gateway will open in a pop-up. It should be noted that Paystack is a credible payment gateway in Africa and it is being owned by Stripe, which is one of the most popular payment gateways in the world. So from here, if you are using mobile money, you just go ahead and enter in your mobile money number, then you choose your service provider. But if you are going to be using your card, you can just select it from here, enter your card number, the card expiry date, and then the CVV number. After entering the card details, just go ahead and click on this pay button and your order will be placed, which is instant. Let me exit out of here. Let's assume you have successfully gone through the checkout process. Then you can come over to my account right here. From here, you go ahead and choose downloads. And right here, you will be presented with all the templates you have purchased from Template Warriors. To download any of them, you just click on the blue button beside the particular one you want to download. And you see your download right here. Perfect. It should be noted that templates bought from Template Warriors are non-expiry, so you can download them unlimited number of times. So that's it on how you can buy templates from Template Warriors.